हाय ऑल। आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है उसमें यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिंग, अ लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट एंड थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल। कोई ये वीडियो खड़ा होकर देख रहा है तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज सिट डाउन, जस्ट फाइंड द नियरेस्ट टेबल और चेयर एंड जस्ट सेटल योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि हम लोग देखने वाले हैं बहुत सारा टैलेंट एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि तुमने अपनी लाइफ में इतना टैलेंट नहीं देखा होगा। सो आई डोंट वांट यू टू फॉल आउट ऑफ शॉक एंड हर्ट योरसेल्फ इन एनी वे। एंड इस दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा टैलेंट अगर आपको कहीं देखने को मिलेगा तो दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स बॉलीवुड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस।
इसमें शौक रखती हैं आप, क्या आपको पसंद है?
शौक, मैं एक्चुअली मेरे टंग को मेरे नोज तक टच कर सकती हूँ।
हाउ क्यूट।
इट्स माय टैलेंट।
What's my talent?
वेरी नाइस।
Oh, not bad.
I did it.
You know, sometimes I genuinely feel bad for the people who are trying to get into this industry based on their acting skills. Actually, no. You guys don't deserve it. तुम लोग को क्या आता है? तुम लोग को एक्टिंग आती होगी, तुम लोग को अपने एक्सप्रेशंस दिखाना आता होगा. You can't do this, ठीक है ना? This is like next level shit. So, you know, YouTube recommended me one interview. मुझे इंटरव्यू मिला है सबसे ज़्यादा लेजेंड, सबसे ज़्यादा ऑथेंटिक अवार्ड्स, फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स। एवरीबडी हुज इन बॉलीवुड उसका सपना है कि उसको फिल्म फेयर का अवार्ड मिले, राइट? बिकॉज लाइक अपेरेंटली दैट्स सपोज टू बी द मोस्ट जेन्युइन ऑथेंटिक अवार्ड जो कि सिर्फ रियल टैलेंट को दिया जाता है apparently, and उसी का मुझे एक इंटरव्यू मिला है which I want to share with you guys.
So with me I have the gorgeous Ananya Pandey, who is wearing a very beautiful outfit, and tell me something about it. This is
Galileo is the name of the designer, and I love it because I think it's a perfect
The accent. Now this is the accent जिसके पीछे दुनिया पागल है, ठीक है? You can't deny that.
This is Galileo.
कई बार मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि why do people hate her accent so much, और मे बी मुझे समझ में आता है, I just don't want to admit it.
your recent comment got a lot of flack, you know, of the interview and all. So what do you have to say on that, and you know, how do you deal with such trolls? Because it's not like for the first time, you know, something happening like this, you know, to any celebrity. Many of them, you know, get, you know, picked up, you know, on something they say, which
It's like she's not breathing, she's just using the word yeah instead of breathing.
thing happening like this, you know, to any celebrity.
Sentences are ending with the word yeah. मेरे को लग रहा है कि इनके स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर वाले स्कूल में इनको शायद सिखाया नहीं that your sentences are supposed to end with a full stop and not with a yeah.
So everyone knows that I'm so positive and I believe in positivity. So my reply back will always be with love and positivity. And I agree that I'm young and make mistakes, and I'm going to be making a lot more mistakes. But I think the fact that I'm accepting that is all that matters. Yeah.
एक तो पहली बात, nobody asked you to admit that you are young.
And I agree that I'm young.
Which is चलो ठीक है, you are young, okay, accepted. And I really like how वो एडवांस में अपनी फ्यूचर की गलतियों के लिए भी माफी मांग रही है. She's like, I'm gonna keep going on national television. I'm gonna keep saying the most wrong things and keep offending people every now and then. Because like not doing that would be a great struggle for me, and I already have so much struggle going on in my life that I can't add on more to it, right? So I'm just gonna accept it and just move on with it. Yeah, that's like my view on it. Yeah. Sometimes I really strive to be dumb because like being dumb is so good. You just don't understand anything that's happening around you, and so you just block all the negativity out of your life. And that's just the best way of living it. Peace and harmony and love and positivity. But चलो, not gonna lie, एक चीज़ मुझे इसमें अच्छी लगी that she's at least accepting the fact कि she made a mistake. At least not like a lot of other celebrities जो अपनी statements को cover up करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
So how active are you on social media, apart, you know, apart from,
You think I'm always
apart from being there on Instagram, you know, how active are you on Twitter?
No, Twitter I'm not as active. I think I'm a very visual person. That's why I prefer Instagram. So I'm more active on Instagram than Twitter. Yeah.
Statements I absolutely agree, like because Twitter पे you need to tweet stuff and उसके लिए तुमको ये वाला part अपना human body का use करना पड़ता है, and I don't want her to pressurize herself because then उसकी positivity पे I don't want कोई सी तरीके का कोई effect आए. So I'm like okay with this thing.
So what do you have to say about the current state, you know, taking place in the country, and you have to say something on that?
उसके शक्ल देख के लग रहा है कि she has no clue what is going on because you know again ये सब कुछ पता होने के लिए तुम्हें करंट अफेयर्स की नॉलेज चाहिए रहती है, ये सब जानने के लिए. जो उसको इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं पता, and that is not her fault.
You know, because celebrities somewhere, you know, get dragged a lot. Like, you know, Deepika went for JNU and somewhere people started, you know, trolling her and like, you know, just taking it in some other way. She didn't even say a word, but like, you know, people just took it out of context again for her and just trolled her. What do you have to say on that?
I think I personally, as a person, I believe in non-violence and I believe in peace and I believe in harmony and just acceptance and living in love and living in togetherness. So that's my viewpoint on it. Yeah.
So,
इतना ज़्यादा vague answer.
I believe in non-violence and I believe in peace and
अगर if you don't have knowledge about a particular subject of or if something is happening, that's absolutely okay. You can just go ahead saying no comment, but instead you give such a vague answer which has nothing to do with the entire situation. So like there is like you know, currently there is such a pandemic situation prevailing in the country, and you know there are so many things happening. People are losing their jobs. A lot of people have lost their lives, and you know in such a situation, economic crisis is taking place in the country. So what do you have to say about that? So I, as a person, personally believe in love and equality and harmony in general, and I think that you know we should all just be kind to each other, just go on with the struggles of our life just the way it is, and everything will just be fine. Yeah, like that's like my take on it. Yeah, I'm pretty much sure कि तुमने इतना सारा struggled acting talent एक साथ कहीं नहीं देखा होगा. So please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in my next video. Peace out.